This graceful manor house is for sale. Located in Aquitaine, France, it offers 10 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. This elegant Maison de Maître, built in 1860 for a local notary, offers approximately 400 square metres of living space and set within 1,800 square metres of landscaped grounds. The main house retains many original period features, including high ceilings, decorative fireplaces and a grand staircase, and provides 3 reception rooms, a large kitchen and 5 ensuite bedrooms arranged over multiple floors. The property also includes 2 independent dwellings, a renovated gîte capable of sleeping up to 14 guests, and a separate 2-bedroom guardian's cottage, offering excellent potential for guest accommodation or rental income. Outside, the grounds are arranged around attractive courtyards with mature planting, terraces and garden features including a saltwater swimming pool, jacuzzi, fountain, orangery and a pond. The asking price of this graceful manor house is €680,000. A versatile French country property combining historic character with multiple accommodation options for family living, hospitality or rental use. Thank you for watching.